Okay, hello everybody. I am the Hylian Juggalo. Sorry for not uploading lately onto YouTube for the people who do watch me. But, I don't do this shit for a living like every other motherfucker on YouTube who has a camera and a couple of games. I'm no Markiplier or whatever the hell you want to call me. I don't do this shit for a living, okay? I'm a networking technician. I run the internet, excuse me, but I get to control when Mark plays his games and when he doesn't. Well, no, I just control the internet for the local government, but, anyway, I am gonna show you guys how to set up Hyrule Total War. Now, this is done, this can be done so people can play it if they do watch me on YouTube, but mainly, this is done for a Hotseat campaign for the mod that I have been orchestrating and putting together for a while. And we happen to have our slots filled. We have a maximum of 10 people because the system has a limit where it breaks if you click around on the faction screen more than 10 times. Actually, exactly 10 times. So, oh, shit. Okay. Anyway, uh, let's get to it. So, first of all, what you want to do is you want to do something or other. Okay, here we go. Downloads. Okay. You want to, of course, install Hyrule Total War, the base game. Now, this you want to install to, like it says here, Sega Medieval Total War mods. Um, if you're a CD user, you're putting it in the right spot, but put it in your Teutonic folder. If you are a Steam user, again, you're going to put it in your Teutonic folder, but of course, you're going to put it in Steam, Steam Apps, Common, Medieval 2 Total War mods. Now, for this purpose of this guide and for this hot seat, we need to set it up exactly this way that I'm showing us, because the location, the way your files are configured, everything needs to match up in order for you to be able to play online. Now, we may or may not actually be able to do that because of some things that might have a discrepancy or two, but we're going to try our best. So from what I understand, let's put everything in Teutonic. Now, if you already have Teutonic, if you already have the game, move it into this folder, but before you do that, rename Teutonic to Teutonic Backup. Then make another folder with the original, name Teutonic, and then stuff it all in there. We're going to install this, I'm going to cut, and I will return when it's done, and we'll move on to the next part. Okay, now, part 2. Now that thing's hooked up, we are going to install the 3.7.1 patch. This is for Steam users. However, again, we're trying to see if we can get this to function with CD users. This may not damage CD user material. I'm not sure if it does or not, but if there's a brave soul that would like to try and install the 3.7.1 patch, that would be great. Because Steam users cannot play the game without the 3.7.1 patch because it'll crash immediately at startup. So if it does not work, like if a CD user installs the 371 patch and it crashes, there is no way in hell we are going to be able to play online. So I would like a CD user following this guide, and I know there's a guy on our group, Japabiner, I think his name was. How the hell did you get that name past the fucking, past any kind of a censor? Uh, anyway. Oh god damn it! I can't remember what I was. I'm just dead from a work like a 50-minute workout I've been crunching on. Uh, I'm trying to think, and I can't think. Okay, so anyway, if there is a user, if there's a uh, CD user that wants to try and install that, I know Jappa Beaner did it, and he said he removed it because he thought that was a glitch, an issue. But it also turned out that he didn't update his copy, his like the actual base game, the vanilla game, to 1.05. Um, so that might just be the issue. So if he's seeing this, I'm actually kind of making this for him, but I'm making it for everyone else. I would like him or anyone else to reinstall the 371 patch and see if it does damage your game. If you can play the game with it on, keep it on. Anyway, Steam app. What the fuck am I doing? Up one level. Steam apps. Oh, I was wondering where it was. Okay. So again, put it in the location I told you to put it into. Yes. Next. Install. I'll be back. And we're back. So, we're going to install community patch number 6 next. Now, this is a zip file. It's not an installer piece. So what we're going to do here is take this real careful like. Okay, it says Alt AUI and executable for non-Steam users. We're not going to use that because the AUI and the EXE are launching programs for the mod if you want to launch it directly out of Nephilim's little system. That's for using alternate in-game UIs and such. It's not really worth a damn. I've never gotten it to work that well. Anyway, but we're not going to use the AUI or the EXEs. We're not going to update these because we don't need to. Everything is running off of the Teutonic expansion. So, again, someone correct me if I'm wrong on that, but I'm pretty sure that's how we're going about doing it. Anyway, wait a fucking minute, wait. Okay. Where's my, okay. Shit, what? No, stop! Close! You fuck! Oh, life is good. Okay, okay, you go away. What are you doing open? You close. I've got so much shit open! Some dude playing Guitar Hero. What the fuck is that doing? Okay. Anyway! Meh. And meh. Okay, so Evil Total War. Mods. Teutonic. Take the data folder. Drop it in here. Replace everything when they tell you to. Move and replace. Yes. Do this for all conflicts. Move and replace. Okay, here we go. Now, that's the data file. Now, I'm going to run a test on this thing before we are absolutely certain, but again, since we're running off a Teutonic, I don't believe we need the AUI or the executable. We just need the in-game data, and that's the important part. That makes shit run. Um, so, we've got that. And now we install all of the mission packages. Actually, before we do that, no, we go back up one level. And we take this, the campaign script Nozola file. You want to go into Data, World, Maps, Campaign, Imperial Campaign, Campaign script, okay. I'm going to delete that one because that's just an old version. And we're going to take the campaign script text file. I'm going to take the campaign script text file. We're going to move that out onto the desktop. We're just going to back that up somewhere. Now we're going to open up the WinRAR again. We're going to take the campaign script Nozola file, and we're going to move that in. Oops, no, close. I don't want to deal with you right now. You bastard. What the fuck? Close. Close, you fucking, come on. Just close the program. Okay. Rename. We're going to get rid of Nozola in the file name. Because if you do that, that prevents you from entering the freeform campaign. So there's that. Now, with that out of the way, we're going to go back to our downloads folder, and we're going to start installing the fuck you. That's what we're going to do. We're going to start installing the mission packs. Missions 13 through 16. Hyrule missions. Okay. Okay, we're going to go back to here. We're going to drop the data folder in. We're going to let that all get pulled over. Yes. Folder inside data with that folder. Okay. We're going to move all the data inside that one with that one. Okay. So we got that one. That's missions 1 through 4. We're going to do the same things with missions 5 through 12 and 13 through 16. Fuck you. I don't care about your evaluation copy. I've been using you for fucking years on end. It's like 2006. Come on. Ugh. Oh my god. My back is on fire. Oh. Sweet Jesus. Ugh. Come on. Load faster, you little shit. Ugh. Okay, there's that. Do I want to merge this folder with this one? Yes. Again, one more time. 13 through 16. Data folder, drag and drop. Come on. You can do this. You can do this, boss. Okay, here we go. Merge that folder with that one, yes. Let me see. Hold on, what is this? Move and replace all of these. Okay. Now, we did all that. Now we install the final mission pack, which came in an installer for some whatever reason. Again, same process. Oh, son of a bitch. Okay, it's already... Is it already there? Oh, cool. Thank you. Okay. And we're gonna wait for that to go. Okay, so we're back and we're on the last part of our installation. Now, what we're going to do from here is we're just going to go straight to our Steam Apps, Common, or Sega, whatever, Medieval 2. What you want is this Medieval 2 preference file. Now, if you don't know what you're doing, you just right-click, and then you do Open with your notepad or whatever thing you use. And you want to go down to... There's a thing here that I'm not going to put in. Hotseat. Okay, here we go. You want it to look exactly like this. Turns equals 0. Scroll equals 0. Auto resolve underscore battles is 0. Disable console 0. Disable papal elections 1. Passwords 1. Save prefs 1. Update AI camera 1. Validate diplomacy 1. If anything is not there or if anything is wrong, add to this list. In this order, and make sure, because the syntax is, it's the syntax, put a space, then an equals, then a space, then the value. Gotta stress that. Okay. So other than that, that's all you need to do. And then you would save it first. You would save it, then you'd go to properties, then you would select read only, then you'd click apply, then you'd click OK. Now, for our administrators, there are 4 of them, me, Avatar, Emrys, and Victor. I'm going to drop a little tiny bit of info for you on how to set up your administration account. I'll private message you guys separately. For anyone else wanting to install the game or run the game as it is, that is how you do it. So I hope to see you in the next hot seat. Viva la Brina!